Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I was thinking to do a makeup look using this new palette I recently bought called the On The Go All-in-One palette by Designer Brands. This is actually, I think it's the limited edition one in Autumn Haze. I think it's still going to work in summertime because these are actually the kind of shades I like to wear anyway. It has a beautiful bronzer, looks to me to be quite neutral, a little bit warm if anything, and then I have this really nice sunny golden highlight and then some really pretty kind of shimmering eyeshadow shades and two mattes, and you also get this nice neutral cheek color. So I think I'll use mostly Designer Brand products. I really like a lot of the products, and the foundation that I'm wearing today is the Skin Renew Ceramide foundation. I actually applied it a couple of hours ago. If you want to know, I applied my Bobbi Brown Hydrating Water Fresh Cream first as like just my moisturizer, and then I applied a little bit of the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 4. And then I applied a small amount of this, and I really like the way that this kind of makes my skin look like my skin but give you really nice coverage. So I don't think I'll apply any more foundation. I have a small amount on and I think that's enough for the look that I'm going for. I might apply a little bit more concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I have two shades. I think I'll go for the light medium. As I was kind of running around with my dogs and playing with them, so my makeup kind of started to wear off a little bit. Actually using one of their brushes as well. This brush is actually really great for concealing. It's actually their concealer brush, and I definitely recommend, if you are looking for some makeup brushes, that you check out Designer Brand makeup brushes, because actually I use them a lot. They're affordable and you get actually a whole set. I have this set that looks really luxe. I'm not sure what this set is exactly. If I find out, I'll leave it down below, and you get so many different brushes for every day. For eyebrows, I'm going to just brush them up a little bit. So for powder, I have the Designer Brand Skin Renew Ceramide Pressed Powder that actually goes with this product as well. It's part of the same line. And this powder is in Nude Beige, and it's a really nice powder. I think it's a really good one if you want a nice kind of skin-like finish. I like that it actually looks like you're not wearing any powder. So I only just apply it basically to the T-zone. And then a small amount on my cheeks as well, because I'm going to apply some bronzer. On to the exciting part, the On The Go palette. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with applying this golden shade all over my eyelid. Oh, it's so pretty, this shade. Do you see how pretty and kind of shiny it makes my eyelids look? It's a really pretty warm brown shade. Let's do the other eye. I'm kind of just blending it all over my eyelid as well. I'm going to take a bit of this warm brown shade. It's very pigmented, by the way, so you get a lot of product, so you only need to apply a small amount. A little bit of this golden shade here, and I mixed in with the warm brown shade. And then I always just kind of tap off the excess so I don't apply too much underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with this deeper shade here. It's like a very dark brown. It's also matte. Just kind of take that excess off. Use it as my liner. created like a hazy smoky eye. I feel like it'll be really nice to go out with this makeup, but at the moment we are still in lockdown in Sydney, so we can't really go, you know, out. I might have to just wear this when I take my dogs for a walk. So let's go back to the palette, and I'm going to take some of this bronzer and just kind of dust it over my forehead, and just kind of in a 3. I don't want to apply too much, but I can see that the lighting is quite white, so I feel like I have to put a little bit more on, but in my mirror it's not like that, so I'm quite warm toned. But I want you to be able to see the product. I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is a very kind of a nudie peach shade. Really nice if you just want a very natural cheek color. That's so pretty. It gives you a bit of a glow as well. It's not shimmery or anything like that. It's quite matte, but it's like it has this really nice kind of sheen to it. I like this brush because it kind of diffuses out the powder. For lips, I think that I'm going to use in the shade Coral Craze. So I really love the designer brand lip liners. They're one of my favorites because they're so smooth, long lasting. Just going to fill in my whole lip. And then on top of that, I'm just going to apply some lip balm. So I just applied a bit of this pink grapefruit lip balm by Burt's Bees, which is just a clear lip balm. I might apply a little bit of setting spray, just by Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Flawless one. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. So I think that this ended up being quite a summery, kind of bronzy makeup look. So that's such a great palette for just being very versatile. You can wear it in the autumn and the summer. You can really make it work. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know down below if you would like me to film any more of these kind of makeup looks or makeup impression videos, and I can definitely do that. I hope you have an amazing week and see you all in the next one. Bye.